In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polar area chart on Visme. Whether you're crafting a presentation, designing an infographic, or compiling a report, a polar area chart can be an incredibly useful tool to visually represent data, especially if you want to showcase variable relationships or comparative data across categories. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can easily create one using Visme's intuitive tools. To get started, you first need to either open an existing project or begin a new one. So, log into your Visme account. Once you're in, decide whether you want to insert the chart into an ongoing project or if you'd like to start afresh. This can be a presentation, an infographic, or a report, whatever suits your needs. After choosing your project space, head into the Visme editor. Here, you'll want to locate the Data tab, or alternatively, the section labeled Charts and Graphs. This part of the platform is where you'll find Visme's comprehensive graph maker, designed to offer a variety of chart types for different purposes. Next, let's focus on choosing a template for your polar area chart. You'll see several options here, tailored to meet different visualization needs. If you're looking for something specific, Visme's template library includes ready-to-use formats like the Top Product Sales Yearly Polar Area Chart template. Opting for a template can save you time and effort, providing a polished and professional look right from the start. However, if you prefer to customize every detail, you might want to select a blank polar area chart template and build it from scratch. Now, it's time to enter or import your data into the chart. As soon as your chart is placed on the canvas, a user-friendly spreadsheet-style data editor pops up. This is where you input your data, specifically the labels or categories and their corresponding values, to define each segment of the chart. If your data is already organized, perhaps in a Google Sheet, CSV file, or Excel document, you can import it directly to save time and reduce manual entry. With your data in place, it's essential to customize the chart's appearance to ensure clarity and visual appeal. Click on the chart to access the Settings tab in the Chart Editor. Here, you can craft your chart's title and subtitle to clearly convey your message. Enhance readability by adjusting the colors of each segment, ensuring they're distinct and easy to differentiate. You can also modify the legend's placement to wherever it fits best: left, right, top, or bottom. Additionally, choose to show or hide values, adapt prefixes or suffixes, and set the precision for decimal values. Consider adjusting visual elements like grid lines, background color, and whether or not you want to add animation for dynamic presentations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a functional, visually appealing polar area chart on Visme that effectively communicates your data insights. Feel free to experiment with these features, tweaking them to best suit your project's objectives. Enjoy crafting your charts.